Okay, so we have these homemade bug screens. This is plywood all the way around, and then this is a metal bug screen right here. No mosquitoes, no bugs. And these screens fit onto both doors. I'm on the passenger side right now, but the driver's side works in exactly the same way. You get the screen, you lift it over the top, and you just push it into position. Once the screen is in position like this, you can now have your window all the way down. The window is completely open, bug screen in place. Both sides do the same thing. No more bugs. Close the window anytime you like. Close it to the top at night. You wake up in the morning, you need some fresh air. Just turn the window down. Nice and simple. Bug screens. And this is where the screens go when they're not in use. They just simply clip in here, right at the back, on the wall, out the way. Pick them up whenever you need them, put them on the front, finish off, put them there, all done.